This Sunday, my family declared war on soggy fries. Dinner became battlefield, limp fries, cold nuggets, furious faces. I tried every trick, oil, ovens, prayers, nothing worked anymore. Neighbors even started calling me the takeout disappointment. I felt defeated, ready to surrender to frozen mediocrity. Then a rumor arrived, magical machine, 400 degrees of redemption. I thought it was hype, too good to be true. But curiosity beat pride. I ordered the Ninja Air Fryer. First touch, sleek matte black, compact, almost intimidating. Plugged it in, touchscreen glowed like a command center. I shoved in frozen fries, expecting another disappointment again. Set temperature 400 degrees. My skepticism felt the burn. Air crisp technology roared to life, superheated air everywhere. I waited. The kitchen smelled like imminent victory. Tray slides out, golden, extra crispy fries greeted me. They were hot, crunchy, not a single soggy bite. My family circled like vultures, then silence. Forks paused midair, eyes wide, disbelief turning into joy. It wasn't magic, it was science. 400 degrees, hot air circulation. Air surrounds food, crisps every corner, uses little oil. We roasted vegetables. They caramelized like restaurant sides. We dehydrated fruit for snacks. Kids thought it candy. Reheat? Leftovers revived to freshly made perfection in minutes. 5-quart capacity fed us all, 4 pounds of fries. Batch cooking became effortless. Meal prep finally possible. And the fat? Up to 75% less than frying. Guilt melted away with every satisfying crunch now. Space-saver design left room for my morning coffee maker. Clean up? Non-stick basket and crisper plate glide off easily. No scrubbing marathons, just quick rinse and done fast. Included recipe book transformed me into a weekend chef. Frozen to crispy in minutes. Game-changing convenience. Clients asked for my secret. I only smiled knowingly. The twist? This tiny countertop appliance outperformed my oven. It saved time, fat, space, and my dinner reputation. Healthier, faster, and undeniably crispy. A rare trifecta. For busy families, it's a weekday superhero in disguise. For health-focused cooks, it's guilt-free fried food mastery indeed. My final experiment, 5 pounds of wings, perfect crisp. Even my picky teenager declared them superior to takeout. So here's my confession. I was wrong about air frying. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro became our kitchen's secret weapon. If you crave crispy without guilt, this changes everything. Grab yours, save time, savor crunch. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.